You're so senior to me personally, and we are really glad. I'm saying this on the behalf of our team because I know Martin how much work has gone into it. और क्योंकि हम Bangalore से यहाँ पर आए हैं, I cannot even imagine कि how we could pull off this international press meet. So thank you so much for being here, guys. So speaking of the preparation that you had asked me what I have done for the movie, I would say not really much. I'll tell you how I got selected for the movie. I want to take you back to the journey of me. So, I'm Anveshi Jain, and it is something that nobody would expect from a small town called Khajuraho, an engineer and an MBA holder who would one day see herself with such big stars and team on screen, on such a big screen. So, it is a dream come true, and to be very honest, until today. So I was there in the other press meet that we had on the teaser launch in Bangalore. That was the first time when I could witness. So because I'm a part of the film and we are shooting, we get an idea how big the project would be. But it had surpassed my expectation back then that, oh my God, I am a part of such a big film. So I come from OTT background. I have done shows, OTT shows here in Bombay, and my first show got me the title of Most Googled Actors 2020. And this is how I got this film. On Instagram, they saw me. I somehow resembled the character of a gangster. I don't know whether I should say it as a compliment or something else, but they found the character in me. So they thought that it would be very easy for me for the way I am on my social media. And after starting the preparation of it, I had to prepare for fight scenes and I had to do a lot of workouts. And then in between, I got injured and I could not come on shoot because I had a very severe injury, which our producer, Uday sir, director sir, understood and gave me that particular time to heal and then get back on set. So it was very cooperative. But having said that, I had no clue that I was a part of such a huge film which is actually going to be global, not just Indian, because I was already very proud of the fact that Kannada industry, out of all, Kannada industry is becoming an inspiration for Bollywood and for, in some parts, I would say even Hollywood, the action that you see. And you know the best part is that I'm proud of this film because of the human emotions, the connect. As somebody asked Dhruv, that what is the reason, why do you think international audience would be interested in watching a film wherein you are having a tattoo which says Indian? The fact of the matter is, it's not about India or Pakistan or war among countries. It is about one single intent and motive that drives you crazy. So you may find your hero in him, you may find that alter ego in him, you may feel that rage for that one particular intent that you would do anything to achieve. And that motive is so strongly aligned with no matter what race you are, that it'll actually make you connect with him instantly. Doesn't matter the color or the cast or the place. So being a part of the film, I know the driving force is translating so well in the entire film, not just in the trailer. We assume that, okay, trailer is nice, the teaser is great. I hope the storytelling may somewhere, lack. But I assure you it's not going to. Because you think it's heavy on action, we feel that the emotions may not do the justice. But I tell you, Arjun sir has written the script. You can be just rest assured of the fact that it's a wholesomeness of visual treat, of the action that we have done, of AP Arjun sir's extreme efforts. I want to tell you one thing. I won't take much of your time, but this man deserves this for you to know. So basically, when I have shot for other South